Yes, I know, everyone wants to make money. I want to make money, you want to make money, everyone wants to make money. And that's why you click on these videos. It's been such a long time, and I guess it's been 3 weeks from now. And but I came back with some great news. And you will like this because who doesn't want to be working full-time when you're an international student? And this is the video. But wait, an international student's working full-time? You can't do that. It's illegal. You have to work 20 hours per week. Yes, it's true. You can work 20 hours per week when it is off campus. But what about when you work on campus? So whenever you work, my hair is all over the place. So whenever, we'll just pretend this doesn't exist, right? So when you work on campus, Georgian gives you approximately 15 to 24 hours, depending on what kinds of job that you do. And I'm going to put a list of jobs that are available on campus that despite the COVID, at the moment they're recruiting campus ambassador for Collingwood. So if ever you are on the campus do we have a campus on Collingwood? Yes, we do. So there you can find some job posting. You can find job posting being a resident advisor as well. And this is going to help you in terms of low rent. So I'll put the link down below. So I know it's very difficult to navigate through the portal and the Georgian portal. So because I'm nice and because you are nice, so I'm going to put the link so you don't have to look for it. Just click in the links down below and you'll find out. So approximately 2 weeks ago, I lost my job. Yep. My online job that I was working for about 1 year, they actually terminated my contract. I was so shattered. I have bills to pay. For those who don't know, I paid for my last semester by myself, and I'm going to link the video about that. It's how I saved $8,000 in 3 months to be able to do that. So I'm gonna leave the link down below, and you're gonna see the video at the end of that one. But back to working full-time. So it's the only way that you can work full-time. You need to have an on-campus job and off-campus job, because it is illegal when you're on campus to do more than 20 hours. And I can hear some people saying, I have a cousin who did work at a gas station. Yes, these are called cash jobs. And if someone gets you, my friend, you're going to get deported, and there's like no way for you to come back. And you don't want that. You definitely don't want that. So get an off-campus job for 20 hours and then get an on-campus job. Let's say you get 15 hours, you can get your 25 hours. It's like working a full-time job. So you're getting a full-time job and you're still being a student full-time. For you to be able to be a student, you need to be enrolled full-time. So basically, this is how I am able to work full-time. I have an on-campus job and I have an off-campus job. And I know lots of people are asking me, where can I find a job? Is it difficult? And I will always answer you, it depends on you. I lost my job 2 weeks ago, and now I'm working 2 jobs. So you are able to do it, but you must be willing to do it. I was very comfy working from home. I like changed houses over and over again, and I was like, oh, my job's going to follow me. But now it's not the case. I don't have a work from home job, but I'm still willing to work, so I got the job. So it all depends on how willing you are to work and how committed you are to actually look for the job. One thing that works in Canada are references. I got this job without any references. So I actually applied, and you need to apply like every day. It's not like in other countries, like you applied and everything. One last thing I wanted to add is that there are still online jobs, so call centers and everything. But what happened is that because these are companies and they have to go through the HR department and everything, it takes a little bit longer. I'm not saying it's impossible. It is not. Everyone's working from home. It's not. But when you go into retail jobs like Home Depot or restaurants or McDonald's, they're more likely to hire you on the spot or within a week. When it comes to the other corporate jobs like work from home, admin, etc., it's another kind of business structure, so it goes through the HR department. It needs time, so the process might be a little bit longer. Just wanted to put that out there. So I have 2 more videos that talks about part-time jobs in Barrie, so if you all have questions, check those videos out. I'm going to link them down below too. And yeah, if you have any question, you can comment. Some people have reached out to me on Instagram, so yeah. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.